Heather Broadbent here, a violinist and instructor of online violin education, where I train violinists all over the world how to improve their technical skill sets for more melodic playing. I am completely passionate about violinists getting the proper training, especially at the beginning of their journey, and for violinists that possibly went down the road of the violin journey but didn't have the proper training at the beginning. And I want to make sure that you do receive the information that's going to make your violin journey easier and help you to progress at a faster rate. I've put together mastering fundamentals, music literacy, and strengthening exercises for first position in one bundle, and they work together so well. And I just want to walk you through what exactly each one includes. Mastering fundamentals. This is a great place to start if you're a newbie violinist, a beginner violinist, or a violinist that needs to refresh your fundamentals. This is the masterclass to start in, okay? And the masterclasses include the books that you'll be studying from, so you have all the sheet music and everything right within the masterclass. So in Mastering Fundamentals, you have Violin Essentials, 22 Violin Essential videos that are going to help you go along in your fundamental journey, and also muscular development will be discussed, meeting the violin, rhythms and notes, beginner violin scales. Books that are included within Mastering Fundamentals, you have Rhythm Adventures, Notes on the Violin, Finger Adventures for the beginning violinist, Violin Scales for the beginning violinist, and Scale Studies. All the books are 100% downloadable and available for immediate viewing, so you can just right away start playing from the books. You have a choice to either use them digitally or to print them up. You can choose to print them up like I did. This is actually a master third position I have here that I'm showing you, but all the books can be printed up, and then I suggest spiral binding them, having them with a spiral bind, because then it's easier to open them up on your stand and to work from them, okay? So that's all included in Mastering Fundamentals Masterclass. There's actually a sneak peek video you can watch to see exactly what you get in the Mastering Fundamentals Masterclass, okay? I'm a professional violinist. I've been teaching for over 20 years. I didn't just pick up the violin yesterday and start a YouTube channel. If you've been following me along, you know that's not the case. This is the exact training that I have taught my private students for over 20 years in my private studios, and I've put it together so now you can access it online 24/7 in your own space without any anxiety issues of going to violin lessons, working with teachers, and to work this out. If you head back to the academy, the second one is Music Literacy, How to Read Music and More, which is also included. Music Literacy, How to Read Music and More is so wonderful for you to get that music theory training that you need as a beginning violinist to work out reading notes. So you can go ahead and follow along, see what all is included in that masterclass. And then you also have the strengthening exercises for first position. This masterclass has the book that's Strengthening Exercises for First Position, and I've created training videos to walk you through those strengthening exercises. And the book is organized into different finger patterns, just like you learn the violin with finger patterns, and you have all these wonderful exercises written out on the page to provide strengthening exercises for first position. Now, if you want to get the books individually, you can totally do that, 100% downloadable and printable. So that's my gift to you. And just know, if you were to work with me personally, one-on-one, the lessons are $100 an hour. And so now you get access to all this information, hours of information, for a fraction of the cost than working with me online in person. If you do have any questions, do reach out at support@onlineviolineducation. Enjoy and have a wonderful violin journey. Ciao!